Hello everyone, today we're playing a game called Teardown. Basically, a lot of you probably already know what this is if you're watching this video. If you somehow don't, basically a game where you destroy stuff. It's also very realistic. Featured mods, that's new. Okay. That's nice, I guess. Cool. Anyway. There's challenges now? Whatever. Basically, this is just a game where you can destroy stuff or do heists. Also, my cat is here with me. Can you meow for the camera? Meow. Oh. There you go, that's a meow. Yeah. So yeah, I have a lot of mods. So we're gonna go places, I guess. First place we're going is let's see. French Town, French West, Jungle Map, Glass Houses. Let's go to Happy Home in Roblox, yeah. Oh, you wanna go in the blankets? Why? Okay, go on. Okay, is this a glitch? What's going on? There's a big fireball. Whatever it was, it's gone now. That was weird. Ugh. My cat is wanting attention, and I do not want to give him attention. Okay, there's Happy Home on Roblox here. Let's see here. Oh. Okay. Fire. Come on. There you go. Whoa. Oh. Scent rate. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, cinematic bomb. I know there's nothing there. What is going on? That was weird. Sedatives. Wait, what? No, but what? Fire tornado. Oh, that's bad. Oh, my god. That's bad. Whoa. That is a fast roll. Those the let's see. Let's go to my menu. What? House. Yes. Oh. 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 My goodness. Okay, Binks is doing stuff. Come on, come on, come on. Is it doing the thing? Why is it not doing it now? Is it? Oh, it's on. That looks like a star. Oh god, it's getting closer. It's getting closer. Oh no. Oh, come on. Okay, oh. Let's see, what's that? Fire thing. Let's go get this truck. Oh, it's falling off. Garage. Get ready for life. Oh, goodness. This is not quality. Oh my god. Also, I won't be uploading Roblox for a while because I got some data. Go to the pool. Get to the house. Go. Teardown. Oh. The house got hit and my frame rate is dropped to 5 frames per second. It's terrible. Oh, that just dropped to 3. Alright, time to stop it. Is another place? It's because of all the debris that was. Okay, I'll get rid of all the small pieces. Oh my gosh. Oh goodness, this place. Let me change the time. Let's make it sunny. There you go. Oh my gosh. This place is a wreck.
Content deleted.
Account deleted.
####.
I don't remember downloading this.
####. Content deleted.
What happened to my account? There we go. Well,
Content deleted.
yeah, everything's messed up, and my frame rate is not good, so it's playable now, but not anyways good. There's dumbbells or whatever everywhere. There's a TV, that's somehow why. These walls are out. Is this a bathtub? There's a bathtub outside. Okay, we're gonna do. Okay. This is not. We gotta have some more. There we go. This gym is Bro, what is this? The fridge is still here. Let's toss this fridge. Good god damn, this thing's dead. How did I fall? I pulled that pretty far. There we go. What's this? Wait, this isn't missing, it's just chunks. Just made it look like it was outside, I guess. What? What? I'm gonna sit right there? Okay. Well, that's it for this video, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Because I did not put any edits in this. It's unedited, crappy footage. Too damn bad. I don't care. I hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time. Yeah. So until next time, I am out. Goodbye.